Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Now I am unboxing gift card. So I am working in a Ness digital engineering and that company is providing some gift cards like waters kinda. So now I am redeeming that one. So see in above four items are there, right? Like kettle, travel bag, laptop bag. These are the right. So these are the options when you to select the one item. So in that I am selected the VIP trolley like traveler bag. I am selected. See now I am unboxing this. So it is a my second gift from this company. First I have received the onboarding. Some gifts I have received while onboarding time. I got some gifts. After that, this is the second one. This is the second gift card I have received. See, this I am opening now. This bag. This is the traveling bag, good quality. So, color black. See, now I am unboxing. This is the smallest bag, looking so good. See, see Ness logo also there. VIP symbol also there. See, so this is Ness logo, VIP logo. So this bag capacity is like 12, like six pants and six shirts. So build quality is so good. So some code is given. See this quality is good. So I'm checking this bag. How many jeeps are there? Like this. It is good for traveling this bag. If your journey, if you are going to anywhere, this kind of small bag is very good. It is a traveler bag. Wheels also there, four wheels also there. We can bring wherever we want. We can also lock system also there. So I have not shown, but lock system also there. We can lock as well. See, I'm checking the quality of this. It is so nice. So without lifting, we can like travel. This is the by using this we can in roads we can travel by using that. Thank you for watching.